Today I'll be talking about the connotations and denotations. The definition of connotations is basically an idea or a feeling that a word invokes in addition to its literal or primary feeling, meaning that the word means mostly an emotion or something. It's not necessarily what the word that is written. It can be positive, neutral, or negative. Then there's denotations, which the definition is the literal or primary meaning of a word, in contrast to the feeling or ideas that the word suggests. So it's basically the dictionary meaning, so the direct meaning. Differences in resemblance. There are not a lot of resemblances when it comes to connotations and denotations, as they are opposites. They are the same words with completely different meanings, but they are both associated with the meaning of a word. For example, random words that can be just out of a dictionary could mean two different things completely when seen in denotations and connotations. As in heart, in denotation, it is an organ. But in connotation, the heart represents the love and affection and care. And the word chick could represent a baby bird, as well as it could represent a derogatory term for a woman. A snake is a reptile, but could be also considered as a dangerous, evil person. And a mule is a mix between a horse and a donkey, but can also be considered as a stubborn person. And last but not least, blue is a color, but it can also be referenced as depressed or sad. Now, what are they used for? Connotations are usually used for books such as Romeo and Juliet, where you need to invoke a lot of emotions. It can also be in short stories involving drama and your CV when you go to drop it off at your job, if you choose to make it personalized in a way that invokes emotion. Denotations are usually used in CRAs and resumes where you have to be quite direct. It can also be in books such as documentaries, as the picture suggests. And you can also have denotations in your CV if you choose to have it more strict and related to the dictionary. The examples of connotations. Well, as I stated earlier, there are positive, neutral, and negative connotations. A positive connotation could be an affordable establishment, which has a positive term. The neutral term can be an inexpensive establishment, as it is not positive or negative, it's really in the middle. And a negative connotation could be a cheap establishment, as cheap is related to less good quality. Now, examples of denotations. This is very direct, as in the blueberry is blue, the banana is yellow, the bus travels far, the lion is a feline, whales are very big, and water is wet. It is all very, very literal things. Now, tips to spot the difference. The way I use it is I took two words with the same letters, as in conscience and connotation, because in your conscience you have feelings, and it's easier to connect that with connotation. The definition and denotation are also the same. As the sentence below, I'm finally home. In connotation, it could be the feeling of home. And in denotation, it would be arriving at your house after a long period of time. Thank you for watching.